I hope you know the value and the psychology and intent behind the keywords, the best, the commercial keywords and everything you know. Now we will do seed keyword research. That is going to be a practical video. The industry in itself, paintball is a complete industry and we are targeting, created our blog around paintball, right? So what I will do, I just copy the paintball. In your niche, it may differ. The results may differ, okay? So I want to target United States and click on search. And one more thing I want to teach you, like the terms industry to industry terms matter. Like the paintball is a complete a niche in itself. That's why I'm using paintball. In the blogging, I can use blogging. I can use SEO. I can use off-page SEO. I can use on-page SEO. Like the technical terms, the technical jargons of the niche, right? So I put it over paintball over here and selected United States. It updated 5 minutes ago around 60K searches, but we are not going to target paintball. But you can take example Brazil, Germany, France, Spain, and United Kingdoms are the main countries where I can earn a decent amount of money. Now what you need to do is click on the phrase match. Now it's loading up keywords. Now to find the commercial keywords, I am having something very resourceful for you, that is best top cheap review comparison. So we want, now मैं चाहता हूँ कि Ahref उन्हीं keywords को display करे जो in terms के related हो. I want like Ahref display those terms that are having these terms, the keyword that are having these terms. I put it over here. Any of 5 will be accepted. Now I have to do wait. Now Href is finding a very decent keywords for me that I can target. So let's see how much time it takes. As you can see, lots of terms we are having now. Href is suggesting us terms with having best paintball gun, best paintball guns, best paintball mask. These are the keyword that I can target inside my blog. Top paintball gun, top paintball and best is the same term. I can just include top and best, no matters. But in the starting of in the beginning of your blog, I did not recommend you to go for this high volume terms. Otherwise, Google will not have a trust on your website. Now, because there is something called sandbox period. So in the starting of your website, target the keyword that are having around 100 to 200 and 0 to 100, 200 searches. That's why I targeted paintball guns for kids keyword. Now the problem is when you like copy the data from Href, it display in this field. So now you can use a tool that is Delisim. Now you can see the URL Del Delim. I don't know. I am unable to pronounce it. You get the URL, right? So what I will do, will just put it over here, and I want a new line and click on it. What happened? Okay. Let me do it again. Now I want a new line. I have to figure it out. What happened? I want line. I don't want clones. No, no new line. Okay, that's fine. I don't know what happened, guys. So wait a minute. I think I just did a mistake. It was working fine a few minutes ago. I want a new line. Okay. Come on. Okay. Now it's working. Just copy these terms and paste it over here. Now as you can see, we are having lots of terms that I can target. Paintball marker and paintball gun are same. Let me put it up in the term of LSI, the related keyword that I can target. So just go over here and find the terms, right? So cheap paintball gun, best paintball pistols. Pistol is we having pistol? No. So this is also a good term. My barrel marker. Just go over here and start doing research, right? Doing research is the essential thing. Just find the keyword and try to work on niches. Okay, so I have these keywords. Now let me see. Now for the beginning, you want to target you have to target low volume keywords. So I want you to be under the 200 mark or 300 mark. Let's make it 300. Let's make it 300. Now data is displaying over here. Let me see, cheap paintball pistols, a good keyword for beginners. Best beginner paintball guns. I can target it, easily target it. Paintball under 300. More, let me see what I am having over. Paintball pants. We are having lots of keywords, right? So like this, what you have to do, you need to do is just go over here and find some keywords over here and just see like this is the keyword, this is the keyword, and put them into your sheet, so that you can have this commercial keyword that you want to target, that you want to rank to make some money. So I want you to have your list ready by the end of the day today, by the end of the day, and so that we can continue some using new methods and new technology, new the new techniques to discover more niches, right? More keywords. So this is the technique that you can use. Just find some keywords and write over there, and you can determine from Ahrefs difficulty as well. You can just see the score, but this is not a good metric. You can, yeah, you can see, but that's not a good metric you can follow. Just have these terms, write over this on the spreadsheet, and start doing your work. Okay, so this is it for this particular video. In the next video we will talk more about keyword research techniques.